Hello everyone, Ripalsa once again with the latest news from 19th of July 4 a.m. Government took out all the restriction for amber and green list. So if you travel from 19th of July 4 a.m. or after 19 July anytime, uh, if you have both vaccine done in UK only and you have a proof of vaccination certificate or in your mobile apps, you can travel to amber and green list country. So most of the things are same. For red list, everything is still same. You have to be hotel quarantine and everything day to day test, and that remains same. Just only new changes is for the amber list and green list. So there is no government restriction if you want to go after 19th of July. So before you come back from amber list, day 2 and day 8 test was there before and 10 days home quarantine. So the home quarantine is gone now. If you are both vaccinated, your both vaccine is done, in that case 10 days home quarantine is out now. So you don't have to do home quarantine, but day 2 test is still there. So when you coming back from amber list or green list, you have to fill passenger locator form is still there, and you have to book day 2 test, only day 2, not day 8. So day 8 test is gone, 10 days home quarantine is done. So just fill the passenger locator form and day 2 test and you are free. So no home quarantine anymore. For the red list country is still there, everything is same. The hotel quarantine 10 days you have to pay, day to day 8 days, everything is still there, it remains same. So God knows where that gonna come out, especially for India and Asian countries and those one. But now amber list government, as soon as the government announced, lots of people book the holiday. According to the news and media, I read within half an hour or 1 hour, when government announced people can fly to amber list country, whoever done the both vaccine in UK only, 400% holiday booked in within half an hour. But make sure double check where you going. Like lots of the countries still in amber list, but they not allow UK traveler. Yes, it's true. Like example China, they suspended all the flight from UK to China at the moment. So be careful. Other country, Austria, Belgium, they banned UK traveler. Indonesia, they banned UK traveler. Italy, you can go Italy, but there is a 5 days self isolation. If you go from UK to Italy, they will allow you, but with 5 days isolation. So if you go for your holiday 3 night 5 night, you have to be isolated. So unless you book the private villa, but be careful. If you go Italy, they will allow you with 5 days isolation. Indonesia, Belgium, Austria is not allowed at the moment. China, they suspended the flight. Thailand, you can go Thailand, but 14 days quarantine there. So before you book for Thailand, double check 14 days quarantine there. USA and Canada, they banned UK traveler since February 2021 and still is banned. So lots of these countries are in amber list. So don't be too much excited and book it without knowing anything. So if you are going this country, be careful. As I mentioned the name, Austria, Belgium, Thailand, China, USA, Canada, Italy. Find it out the rules before you pay. Once you pay, the money gone from your card, and if you can't go or something restriction, it's very difficult to get the refund. I'm telling you that. So and if you don't have the both vaccine is not done, then you have to quarantine for home quarantine for 10 days in the UK after your arrival. So if your vaccine is not done or only one done and second you waiting for, and if you go amber list while you coming back, you have to do RT-PCR of course, or even, yes, I missed that one. Before you come to the UK, passenger locator form is there, but RT-PCR test before 72 hours, you have to do it. Doesn't matter if you got both vaccine, you are coming from amber list country, government is allowing, but with RT-PCR test. So when you coming back from amber list country to UK from your holiday, RT-PCR test compulsory, passenger locator form is compulsory, and day 2 test compulsory with your 2 vaccine certificate. If you are not vaccinated, your both vaccine is not done, and still you went outside UK in amber list or green list, and if you coming back, RT-PCR test, passenger locator form, day 2 and day 8 test with 10 days home quarantine. So be careful if your vaccine is not done. So the best part, as I mentioned in my previous video, request the vaccine certificate. Is very important. Take 5 minutes. So be careful wherever you go. Find it out all the rules and regulation, the government policy of that country where you going. UK has announced already. Anyone can fly. They don't have any restriction. Just show your vaccination. The both of them is done in UK, and they will allow you to go. Green list symbol is no issue. But wherever you go, that country allowing UK traveler or not, find it out that one. Very special. I mention all the country. So that's as per now. It may change in the future. We don't know yet. So be careful. Don't excite too much and book it straight away in 5 minutes. Wait 2 to 4 hours, 6 hours. Surf. Have a look on internet, news, government website, everything, and then book it. Please. And if you like the video, I help lots of since last 1 year. I put 10 to 15 video to help everyone in the world and in the UK and India and everywhere. Please, if you like my video, click on subscribe. Like you and love you all. Bye.